Insert two different page number format in the same Word document. To do this, go to the insert section and go to the format page number and just click the page format you want to have in your Word document. Then go to the place where you need to have the another page number format. Suppose I need the new page format from this section, so I will go to that section and go to layout and then go to next page. So this will create a new page and our document will be starting from the new page where we want a new page number format. So I am going to the place where I need the new type of page number format. So for this I am going to this last page. So I go and select that page, and you can go to link to previous, so that will link the previous page number format. Since I have already linked it, so it will be displaying yes or no, so I will click on no. So then you can go to the insert tab and go to insert page number, and you can change the page number format, and let's say you can write the new page number format starting from 1, 2 and 3. So the page is displaying page number 1. So this is how you can change the two page number format in the single Word document. So thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. Blessed being.